Okay, a solution of zinc sulfate can be made by adding excess either of zinc carbonate or zinc hydroxide to dilute sulfuric acid. In which forms are the zinc compounds added to the acid? Okay, we have to prepare zinc sulfate. What is the formula of zinc sulfate?
ZnSO4. Zn, one second. Na? हाँ, ZnSO4.
Okay, I want to prepare ZnSO4. Sulfuric acid is there. What is the formula of sulfuric acid?
Sulfuric acid H2SO4.
Okay, H2SO4. Now here the choices that they are giving is either zinc carbonate or zinc hydroxide. Which substances we can add? Zinc carbonate is ZnCO3. Zinc hydroxide is ZnOH twice. Okay. These both substances can be made available to react. Now, aqueous and solid, these are the other two options.
Yes.
Correct. I have given you solubility chart.
Yes. हाँ.
If you don't know solubility chart, you can't solve this question. Now you tell me zinc carbonate and zinc hydroxide, both of these will be soluble in water or insoluble in water.
ZnCO3 is तो insoluble.
Correct, that is insoluble.
Yes.
Zinc will go with sulfate. It is going to give you zinc sulfate. Okay, here also this is possible. Okay, so
Yes.
this H2 can go either with CO3 or it can go with ZnOH twice, zinc hydroxide. Now you should know whether these both substances are soluble in water or not. Zinc carbonate is insoluble, so you cannot get aqueous solution. So that will be only solid. And I have given you the solubility chart. You should recollect and learn that very well. Without that, you will never be able to solve such type of questions. Zinc hydroxide is also insoluble, so both of them will be solids.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now according to solubility
Okay.
chart, all these are
Okay.
the soluble substances. So zinc hydroxide also will be insoluble. Rest all of the substances are insoluble.
Yes.
You should learn this chart very. Next question.
Yeah, so one second. It is
Group 1 elements lithium potassium are tested. Which element has higher melting point and which element reacts more vigorously with water? How are you asking me such common questions which I have discussed? Group 1 element mein which will come on the top?
lithium.
Lithium will be above and potassium will be below this. So as you are going down, the reactivity will increase or decrease.
Uh, Increase.
Okay, reactivity is going to increase, so potassium will more vigorously. And as you are coming down the group, the bonds are becoming weaker in the atoms, so melting point will decrease. So higher melting point will be lithium, and more vigorous reaction is going to be potassium.
So even I did B, but mark scheme is showing D.
The question: the proton number of 4 elements are shown. Which element forms single charge positive ions? Now you tell me which type of elements will be plus one.
Group 1 elements.
ग्रुप वन अल्केली मेटल, तो इसमें से अल्केली मेटल्स कौन सा है? दैट ओनली यू हैव टू सी लुक इनटू द पीरियोडिक टेबल एंड फाइंड इट आउट.
37. Ah, yeah.
So easy. The diagram shows 4 sacks which the farmer has in his farm. The names of the substances are given: calcium oxide, ammonium nitrate, Niter is potassium nitrate, and superphosphate is ammonium phosphates. Okay. Now tell me which are the fertilizer elements.
So I've not done it. I don't know.
You have done it in since 7th class you are doing, or 8th class you are doing. The three main fertilizer elements are NPK. What is NPK? What is
Uh,
N?
Nitrogen, potassium, and
Potassium P is not potassium.
uh, phosphorus.
Correct. P is phosphorus and K is potassium. So now you check which of these you can mix.
3 and 4. Bus.
Okay.
Yes.
All three elements will be present in when you mix potassium nitrate and superphosphate. So 3 and 4 it will be.